this is your grand and luxurious hall. Very spacious. You will be getting two panel platforms. This is your spacious master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Raheja Antares by K. Raheja Corp Homes located in Kanjurmarg West. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. We are standing inside the sales office and we will be getting into all details of this project. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 3.1 acres that will have two towers, Tower A of ground plus 33 story and Tower B of ground plus 32 story, having 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK residences. And now, talking about the amenities, this project has 30 plus amenities. As you can see in the model, it will have a swimming pool, garden, gym, pickleball court, squash court, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at JBLR LBS intersect near Gandhinagar Junction, Kanjurmarg West, from where Eastern Express Freeway is at a distance of 1.4 kilometers, IIT Powai is at a distance of 1.5 kilometers, D-Mart is at a distance of 400 meters, and you have International School, Colleges, Hospital at a distance of 10 minutes from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now, let's step into a home that doesn't just look luxurious, but feels like the dream you've always lived for. And now, we are entering the grand hall of a place that can be your own dream home. You can see this is your grand and luxurious hall where every corner speaks luxury. You can place your three-side sofas, your center tables and customize your hall as per your choice. Also attached to the hall, you will be getting full sliding doors that will make your entry in a very spacious balcony. You can see this balcony is very spacious. You can customize this, you can place your swings, you can easily entertain a party of people, of friends and family. And now, talking about friends and family, when you have gatherings, you need space where you can sit together, chit chat and enjoy your time. So this over here is your dining space where you can easily fit 8 to 10 people dining table and enjoy meals with your friends and families. Also, you can see you have plenty of walkable space even after placing furniture in your living and dining. So moving forward, over here we have your kitchen that you can see is very spacious. You will be getting two parallel platforms. Also, you can see you have enough space where one people can walk even if the cabinets are open. You can customize your lower and upper cabinets, and attached to your kitchen is a beautiful and spacious utility area where you can place your washing machine and your washing needs will also be fulfilled. And as we said, the project also respects your privacy. So, towards the left is the entrance of your staff washroom and towards the right is the entrance of your staff room. And talking about extra space, this space over here is technically your staff room, but you can customize this by your choice and you can make your own entertainment corner to enjoy the luxury at your own home. Speaking of luxury, that's not the only thing you want. You also need privacy, and to cater that need, you have a separate alley area that has entrance to your bedrooms, which separate your bedrooms to your hall to maintain your privacy. And here you will get your powder washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings that can be utilized by your guest. Moving forward to our first bedroom, here you can see this is your first spacious bedroom where you can see you have enough of walkable space even after placing your furniture. Also, you will be getting beautiful sliding windows along with a safety railing to provide safety and beautiful standing balcony views. Also, you can see the slab to slab height is of 3.2 meters that gives your bedroom larger luxury look. Also, over here will be your private washroom that will again come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And talking about space, you don't need to compromise in any corner. As you can see, the wardrobe has enough depth to store all your needful things. And now let's move to the next bedroom. And now diagonally opposite to your previous bedroom is your next bedroom. That you can see is even more spacious by the previous one. You can see you have place where easily two people can stand between the wall and the bed or between the wardrobe and the bed. Also over here you will have your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. You can get an idea how spacious this bedroom is. You can easily customize a study corner here that will fulfill your basic daily needs. Also, you can see you have beautiful sliding windows with safety railings to provide you safety and beautiful standing balcony look. And now, let's move to the master bedroom. And this is your spacious master bedroom. You can see this bedroom is even more spacious. Yes, the space increases with each bedroom, providing even more luxury with each corner of your home. Once again, also you can see behind me is your very spacious wardrobe that has great depth to store all your needful things. Also, you can see you have walkable space and you can also customize a very beautiful TV unit in this corner. And again, you will have beautiful sliding windows with safety railings as we maintain your safety and the luxury of your views. And moving forward, again, you have a private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. The best part about your home is your last bedroom. As you can see, we walk in, you have a beautiful walk-in wardrobe feel, and this is the space of your last bedroom. As we saw in the whole home, it was spacious, full of luxury in every corner, and you will be getting marble flooring in all the bedrooms and the hall, and vitrified tiles in the kitchen, anti-skid tiles in your private washrooms and powder washrooms. And this was a glimpse into Raheja in Terrace by K. Raheja Corp Homes, where elegance meets everyday living.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.